Hi guys, my name is Adeshinyal from Techyuni.com. In this video, we are going to show you how you can get all the trending AI tools for your requirements at a single click. Open Techyuni.com, go to the Chrome Extension page and click on Download Now button. Now go to the download files and extract the files here. Now let's go to the Chrome browser and click on the settings from the three dots in the top right corner. Now go to the extensions and click on Manage Extensions. Now turn on the developer mode from the top right corner to upload the Techyuni extension here. Click on Load Unpack and upload the files here. Your Techyuni extension has been installed successfully. Now go to the extension button, select Techyuni and pin it. Now when you click on the Techyuni icon, you will be able to search for any AI tool through the industry, category or any keywords. So here's how you can get all the AI tools at a single click. If you want to stay tuned with all the tech tools and trends, do subscribe to our newsletter and YouTube channel.